If you want to eat some delicious gumbo just like this, then stay tuned. The list of ingredients will be in the description, but first you want to start out with some andouille sausage. You want to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and get it on a medium-high heat and then brown them. After that, you want to chop up some onions, green peppers, celery, red peppers, and put that in the pan that you just finished using. You want to take that sausage out and put the veggies in. Then you want to take those veggies out and you want to start a roux. So you want to get a little bit of flour, a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, and just whisk that around. And then after that looks pretty good, you want to add a can of diced or crushed tomatoes. You can add a little bit of minced garlic, but you want to make sure that you give that a stir so it doesn't burn. Then you want to add your andouille sausage that was cooked and your sauteed vegetables back into the pot, and you want to mix everything together. Just give everything a quick stir and keep everything on medium-high heat. So you want to take your can of fresh crab meat. You could do lump crab meat or whatever you prefer. So just get some crab meat from the seafood section. And then you want to get a rotisserie chicken. This is one I bought from the store. You want to pick that apart and chop it up to your liking and throw it in the pot with the rest of the ingredients that are in there. You can add some chicken broth right now, or you can season first. It's up to you. You want to add some salt and pepper and give that a quick mix. And you still want to keep that on medium-high heat. You want to add about 2 teaspoons of the Creole seasoning. That will make your gumbo have a little kick to it. It's really good. If you're a garlic fan, you can add some garlic powder. 2 teaspoons will do. You can add 2 teaspoons of onion powder as well. I did add a little bit of chicken broth earlier, but you can add all of it once you finish seasoning. If you want to do it in that order, it's up to you. But I added mine fully after I seasoned all of my ingredients. And you can use the whole container. I have 1 container of chicken broth, and you just want to give that a stir. It depends on how much liquid you want in your gumbo. Then you want to let it cook for about 2 hours, and this is how it should look. It smells so good. This is very easy. Then you want to go ahead and throw in your shrimp. You want to throw in your shrimp last when it's almost done because you don't want your shrimp to overcook. You can add about 2 teaspoons of Old Bay. So your shrimp, you can get the frozen kind and throw it in, or you can just make sure it's peeled and deveined first and there's no shell on it. And then you just throw it in and let it cook until it's all done. And then you want to go ahead and get you some Jasmine rice or some sticky rice or whatever rice you prefer. And then that's it. This is the gumbo. It's very easy. It's very simple. Straight to the point video. If you want a little bit more heat, you can add some crushed peppers. I did not because this was enough for me. But this is it. This is the sausage and chicken gumbo from Cooking with Mercedes. You will not be disappointed with this recipe. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And let me know how you like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.